yarny friends, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and I have happy mail. I do indeed. Barbara, aka Whisper, sent me some happy mail. She dyes her own yarn, and when in one of Ursula's lives, she showed this yarn, and I contacted her on Instagram, and I'll put Barbara's Instagram link below, and I'll show you what I got. I got two of these. Can you see? I hope you can see the colours. There's like tan, and it's kind of like a bit pale green, like a mint green, with all the different teal. There's kind of like a turquoise, aqua, and there's to me it looks like tan, but it's beautiful. Let me see if I can just, doesn't that look fab? So I am chuffed to bits with that. I haven't done it as good as Barbara, but I got that one and I got that one, and I plan to make a nice summer shawl. I've not found a pattern yet, so if anybody out there has any ideas on a shawl that I could use this yarn with, and it's I'm really pleased. It's merino and nylon, I believe. I'd need to check, but it is really nice and squishy, and it's quite nice on the, yeah, it's not too bad, so it doesn't irritate me, you know, because yarn. But if you watched my video where I used Sadie's Superfine merino, I didn't have no problem with that, so which is why I thought I'd give this a try too. So I've got that, and in the pack she sent me this, I think these are for needles. It's like a little felt pouch for my darning needles and that, so that'll come in really handy. And a little bag of buttons that says handmade with love on. I'm really liking them. Thank you, Barbara. And then she sent me two little cakes just for me to try. They've got different so it doesn't seem to affect my hand, but I hope you can see there's kind of got little glitter bits in it, metallic thread through it. So I'm going to have a, I'm not sure what I might make with that yet, but I've got that. I might make something for my dolls. And she sent me this. Now this is my favourite, Barbara. I love this. I really like this. I like this one definitely, and I think I'll be definitely purchasing from Barbara in the future. So thank you so much. So I am absolutely delighted with everything I've got, and I hope you like them too. And aren't they just the beautiful colours? Look really nice for a nice summer shawl. So if you've got any ideas on shawl patterns, I'd be most grateful if you could let me know. And thank you ever so much for watching today. Take care, everybody, and stay safe. Bye for now.